Hello everyone, in this video we're going to find the value of the following expression if it's given this exponential equation. Let's start. First of all, let me rearrange the left hand side of this equation. So therefore, I can express this fraction as follows. 2 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of x times, so from this fraction I will get 3 to the power of 3 divided by 5 squared to the power of y times, and from the last one 5 over 2 squared and to the power of z, and this one is equal to 256. Now by using the following formula I can simplify the left hand side. So the first formula is, let me show it, a over the power of n, a over b to the power of n is always equal to a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. So the second formula is a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m is always equal to a to the power of n minus m. Now using these two formulas we can simplify the left hand side of the last equation. So therefore this equation is equivalent to, so first let me use this formula. So therefore the left hand side is equivalent to 2 to the power of 4x divided by 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 3y divided by 5 to the power of 2y times 5 to the power of z divided by 2 to the power of 2z. This one is equal to 256. So now using the second formula again I can simplify the left hand side. So first let me express as follow: 2 to the power of 4x divided by 2 to the power of 2z times 3 to the power of 3y divided by 3 to the power of x and times 5 to the power of z divided by 5 to the power of 2y, and this one is equal to 256. Now using the second formula I can get from the left hand side 2 to the power of 4x minus 2 to the power of z times 3 to the power of 3y minus x and 5 to the power of z minus 2y, and which is equal to 256. And as you can see 256 is 2 to the power of 8. And let me compare this number with the left hand side of this equation. We see that bases are the same with these two exponents, so therefore I can get that here as follow. I can add the following two numbers, 3 to the power of 0 and times 5 to the power of 0. So therefore it's clear that we have to equate each exponent. We see that here 2 and 2 are the same, so therefore 4x minus 2z is equal to 8. And for the second one, 3y minus x is equal to 0 and z minus 2y is equal to 0. So let's solve this system of equations. So here, let me here in the first equation divide both sides by 2, then I'll get 2x minus z is equal to 4, 3y minus x is equal to 0, and z minus 2y is equal to 0. So our main goal is to find here x, y, and z. So therefore let me multiply now the second equation by 2, this equation. Let me multiply by 2, then I will get 2x minus z is equal to 4 and 6y minus 2x is equal to 0 and z minus 2y is equal to 0. Let me label this equation. This is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. So let me now add the first two equations, first equation and plus the second equation. Then I will get 2x minus z plus 6y and here minus 2x is equal to 4, and as you can see 2x will be cancelled, and here I'll get simply 6y minus 2z is equal to 4. So therefore let me here add the third equation. Here I'll get z minus 2y is equal to 0, and as you can see here, let me label again, this is the fourth equation, this is the fifth equation. So therefore adding these two equations, I will get simply 6y minus z and plus z minus 2y is equal to 4. And here simply I will get, so here z minus z will be cancelled, 4y is equal to 4, and here y is equal to 1. So this is the first solution. Now let me plug into the fourth equation, so into y this 1, therefore I will get 6 times 1 minus z is equal to 4. So therefore here z is equal to 6 minus 4 or 2. And it's easy to find x here. We can here plug into, for instance, so here we can into z2, then therefore we'll get 2x minus 2 is equal to 4, and here 2x is equal to 6, and finally we'll get x equal to 3. So if you finalize, then our solutions are x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 2. But as you remember, we are looking for the value of x plus y plus z, so therefore we can easily plug into this x, y, z this value, so therefore 3 plus 1 plus 2, and which is equal to 6. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.